welcome back to our episode. This is obviously Bafana has beat Zimbabwe, so we qualified for the round of 16. Yeah, it was a tough game. It was a tough game. Yeah, we won 3-1 at the end by a penalty. Oh yeah, 3-2 by a penalty, which it was a clear penalty. VAR was in our favor for the first time for once. This tournament. But yeah, we've qualified. So thoughts on the game?
As you can tell, I'm not even excited about this win.
Yeah.
First things first, this was supposed to be a super easy win for us.
But
let's flow into the game. We scored within the first 10 minutes of the game, yet 60 minutes it looked like Zim was the team that scored first. Zim was in control of the game. We were lost. We had no structure. We had no backbone. We had no attack.
I can say
I don't know.
Also, even though we should also give credit to Izim.
Yeah, and also
I feel like Izim studied Mzansi.
Yeah,
because Mopega they saw good okay strong point here too. If Mkwena is on form, if Stole is on form, if Mbule is on form, they won't do anything. So, but they neutralized the midfielder at yonke, not individual yonke.
Yeah.
They made sure good a leak it pole dalwada.
But yabona Mbule irresponsibility yakhe is to identify what okay, my team right now can't play and they can't build up. So why is it? It's because the team they are overpowering us in the middle field. Irresponsibility yakhe ukudropa deep. But he wasn't doing any of that in the first half.
Also, you must not forget Mbule is a midfielder.
Yeah.
But he's not a Tiapa. He's not a Tiapa like here.
He's a winger.
Yes.
Converted to.
He's part of the midfield. So if our deep midfielders, which is Mkwena and Stole, they're in trouble, they're failing to play, they're failing to link up with other players. Mbule is supposed to be the lead.
And also, it's not like Mbule doesn't know how to. He can play a deep role. He knows how to play.
He's been doing that before.
He's been doing it.
But did you see Uguchi
at Sundowns? He can play that role.
Did you see Uguchi? He started doing that as soon as Mahopa came in.
No. The whole game.
No. Guys are saying he started doing that
in the second half.
You know why?
But
you know why?
Why?
Because Umahopa is able to play. He's able to drop. He's able to
but Mahopa was more. But it was ineffective for us. Didn't do anything at all.
But you saw the change of play from Mbule. He was able to ahambe ayomaduze nomkwena.
He was hiding. That's our problem. Mbule was hiding between the Zimbabwean players. There was a gap there.
But was he hiding or they were marking him?
So
there's a gap. Why did you drop into that gap?
If it was marked, if it was marked as Tabang is saying, it was going to mark close to Abu Mkwena. But it was so far. It was up with Foster.
Yeah,
but
there's no way.
Don't you think with my instructions were coach? Because if Mbule whatever was doing, it wasn't part of the plan. They were gonna remove him on the field.
And put who? That's the issue.
Yeah, that's another thing.
Bruce put himself in a position whereby he can't afford to take out Mbule because there's actually no one else to put.
I think
there's no one else to put.
I still say my instructions were coach. It's not really based on Mbule. Because Mbule, we know how he plays, we know what he can do. But ever since Afcon Kalile, he's been doing something different. Like he's been playing as a second striker.
He's having a shocker.
He's hiding. I think the stage is too big for him.
But Mara, I think it goes with his strength. He knows okay, I'm only good with the ball on my feet.
Mara, why don't you
go and collect? Yes.
You know, no player can take the ball away from you. Help us then when you clearly see we're struggling to build up. Help us because you have the responsibility to be like, no one will take the ball away from me. I will go and I will collect the ball. But if someone takes the ball away from me, then it will be a foul. Then we can build up again. Mbule has that quality. He has the quality to drive us forward, and that's what we want. That's what we want.
But he's not doing that.
He's not doing that.
But don't you think Uguti Ustole was disturbing us? Because you saw Uguti, now we started doing a bit of that second half.
Yeah.
And second half uSithole bese kaphumile
Mhm.
bese
Yeah.
kuna Obas Obas bekakwazi ukucover ama spaces Obas bekangagijimeli phambili uSithole was doing wrong runs honestly
But
he
yeah,
was doing wrong runs
But-
because uSithole is put there as a defensive midfielder
Yeah.
if wena uzogijima as a defensive midfielder uSithole so uda ku 6-yard box ufunani da who's playing your role there
but slow.
and
again-
who's gonna
And-
collect the rebounds who's gonna stop the counter
No, but
wena
slow.
uda
If you can notice, that's how Stoller has always played for us.
but it doesn't
Even
yena nomkwena
Yes.
communicate one
yes,
stays one
yes, that's how we always play. Hence, I mean, I always make an example with Utemba as well. The issue that I have with Usipe Mbule is basically a replacement for Utemba as well.
exactly.
But he hasn't replaced anything.
Yeah, he hasn't in that.
so
like,
you
he
can say
has-
ukuthi if Tito was on form was gonna do better
Yeah,
yes,
yeah,
yes,
yeah.
Connect. So Tito
yes,
Yeah,
yes.
yeah,
You can argue,
yeah.
you can argue that.
and also, look at Bruce, man. He put himself in a very tough position. Like you can't go to a tournament with just one number 10 that
Yeah,
you trust.
yeah.
What if Mbula actually injured? What are we going to do? We don't have any other number 10s. You can't trust Mofokeng when we play against Ivory Coast, when we play against Cameroon.
Yeah,
You
yeah,
can't
yeah.
trust Mofokeng. He's not physically strong enough to take the challenges on. He's not strong enough to win the duels. You can't. We have number 10s in SA. We have strong number 10s.
It's ego,
We
man. It's ego.
Yeah, I think Hugo Bruce, according to his statements, okay, there is something that is fighting with Ulosh.
He
No,
should have.
like, besides Ulosh, right?
Like,
It's as if Bruce is specifically
Okay,
wanted
Mina-
to call certain players.
Mina,
Doesn't matter who else. He just cut off everyone else. Just because I wanted to Mbula, I'm gonna cut off Temazwane. I'm gonna cut off Tim Kosiloj.
Lega
I'm gonna cut off
Temazwane-
everyone.
Tembazwane, I can defend him and say ama injuries Tembazwane might be the reason why.
But then you call
Yeah,
Campbell you call Campbell who's in play.
Yeah, le ngiyayibona but
You see, no.
Yeah.
That is where the problem starts.
yeah.
It must all be the same in a national team. Campbell has no game time. He's just wasting space. Callum Smith is just wasting space.
Yeah, they are.
Those slots could have gone to people who are actually playing regular football, people who are in form,
Yeah.
people who deserve to be in the national team. Shala has been working very hard. You can
Very-
say whatever.
And it's better than Campbell.
He is.
We can't say that.
But he
is.
Shabalala.
Yeah.
Do Shabalala ku team Campbell, you see.
It's
He's
not
way
better.
better.
It's not
He's way
than
better.
Campbell.
He is.
I'm
telling you.
It's not. Campbell, guys,
Okunye
you watch
goes
Campbell
with what-
Super Sport.
It doesn't matter.
Yeah, but
Watch him. Before he was promoted.
What did he see?
Did you watch him before he was
But the
promoted?
levels are not the same. Campbell was doing it
And he's also doing
PSL.
Yeah, he was
No,
doing
it's
it
not
to do
It's
it.
not consistent.
It
though.
is. No, Campbell was not. Remember,
Campbell was winning points
Ah,
with Kevin Hart.
remember, Campbell, he only basically paid for a short amount of time.
Campbell was
Short amount of time. The
Was-
duration of Campbell was short.
bro.
Okunye ntwana, like last time I said ilaki yabantu
I
ayifani.
find true. I true.
Umntu is still where he is because of maybe ilaki yakhe and the
Yeah.
But
Umdu is
umnandi.
not consistent. Umnandi, but
Umnandi.
it's not consistent.
But Tabang-
You see, you know ukuthi umntu
Like
nomfukeng they can be on the
you know
same
what
team.
Umdu can do? Umdu
Yeah.
can receive a ball,
Yeah.
makes a brilliant run, then the pass is off. The next play, he makes a brilliant pass.
you
The
know,
next play, then the
What-
pass is way
Wait.
off.
yabona
When last did you watch?
Kaizer Chiefs.
Besides that, when last did you watch Ushandra Campbell play?
He's not getting game time.
So
why?
rather we have Mdu Shabalala that we've been seeing
That you
game
know.
in, game out, or Tala. We can argue inconsistencies, but we've seen him. For the fact that Bruce actually recognized the guy and managed
Yeah.
to call him, he's now on standby.
Yeah,
Right.
Yeah.
Is his feet, his game fit, his
Wafaka
staff.
Callum Smith.
Yeah.
Yes.
Because
Campbell, nothing.
you can remove Umbule. Ufaka Umbule.
Yeah, he can play the number 10 role.
Campbell is basically not going to offer us anything because
He's gonna play. He's not gonna
yeah,
play.
besides how good he is and all that, he's not
gonna
playing.
play. Your
He's not
Callum
playing.
Smith is not gonna play.
So there's no way, like, why would Hugo Bruce waste his space like that? Right now, today we need a dodge.
Yeah,
You
in
Chambers one.
terms of space, I'd say he wasted it, but it's not for Mdu Chawalala.
Back.
We could have called for this space. We could have called Mshishi. We could have called Lloyd.
Okay, I'm
Because-
just complaining about age.
Yes,
Yeah,
oh yes.
So
Yeah.
it's about
Age,
Who is there?
Mara, You know what I'm crying for from this? I know we saying age, and I won't lie. I was supporting Hugo Bruce all the time along when he was saying this and that, saying for the future. But now,
And I asked
in the current
Yeah.
Bafana squad, I don't see the experience to be like, guys, I'll take you on. I'm the man. I'll be the one that
And
will
every
go-"
team
No
has
one-
that old person.
no
Every
one-
team, each fella-
no one in that team, no players are looking forward to someone to be like, this guy will save us.
Yeah.
Last AFCON, Mushishi was that guy for us. We'll be
Yes.
like, Mushishi.
Yeah.
When we are struggling, Mushishi will be that guy.
Yes.
We can give Mushishi the ball, he'll solve the problems that
Mhm.
we're struggling with. Right now, we don't have that guy to be like, you are the guy that will save us when we have no
Yes.
solutions to the problems that we have.
Nakhona,
So-
le nto ayenzile.
Lodge is
But-
gonna be that guy.
Yeah, like you can't say the best player because if you take performance ka Lodge, the level where he's at, the league where he's playing, because that league is known to be better. Ngithi.
It is.
Yeah.
It is.
The level of his form.
Playing
Yeah.
for the
No
World Cup.
player in that squad, in Bafana squad, is at the level ka Lodge
Exactly.
right now.
World Cup.
But you're
playing
gonna bench him, you're gonna say, his ego, he's what.
Club World Cup, Champions League. He's competing there. He's scoring goals. He was giving Pep trouble against
And
Manchester City.
Tabang, I asked you. You said when your answer was when I asked you, Hugo Bruce, why did he call Campbell and Smith? You said he's building for the future.
I was
I
saying, to be honest,
My question was, what future are you talking about when AFCON is next month?
no, I was. Remember,
Remember,
I can get Hugo Bruce's point of view, because his point of view is, I'm calling Campbell, I'm calling Tyler Smith. You know what they do now? They just they're like a sponge now. So in his perspective, Campbell and Tyler Smith, they are the future
connecting
future,
actually.
they're
But
the
you think-
future players.
The thing
They are the future players for the next World Cups, for the next AFCONs. So what now they're doing is they are a sponge.
They
They
still have
collect.
time.
they-
wait. Okay, Tabang.
They collect
Right.
that experience
Right.
to play in the next
Sharp.
AFCON.
Why isn't Utansi Orlando Pirates the sponge? Why isn't Shabala the sponge? Remember, we're talking about guys who are playing in the PSL,
they're doing
in our own league.
And
We
they're
are watching
doing well.
daily and they're doing well.
They're not a sponge because maybe it's the quality of players that you.
No,
No.
So, Tabang,
It's arguable.
Itshele i-difference between Umdu no Campbell.
Campbell
no Campbell
shine.
no, it's the same as
Campbell uyayishayine. Umdu akayishayine.
Umdu.
If he's going to finish, Umdu
Umdu is a
akayishayine.
midfield, Campbell is a winger. Bona.
Nomdu uyayishayine.
Uyayisha.
But wait,
Listen.
let's look cook.
Umdu no Campbell. Same goes to Udue no Yamal. The difference is the stages. The difference is where you are. That right now you can back up Campbell because Udlalava. What matters is Udlalava.
When was in Super Sport? We did see him, but you never said when he was better than Umtu at that time. You're only saying that now because Campbell went to Belgium. That's what you're saying.
Campbell was.
Yeah. It's like right now, Jabang, you're saying Umkota is better than Umfukeng just because Umkota went wide.
You can't say.
Yeah, so you can't say
No, because he's not. But Campbell, wait, Kevin Hunt.
Besides that goal.
Which
What-
goal?
The
Nah.
goal ayishaye uClub Brugge. Yini uCampbell akushoke ngayo?
Now I'm talking about the Campbell that I know. The Super Sport Campbell.
Yeah.
I haven't watched him that
Yeah.
much at Club Brugge.
Yeah.
Hey, Baba. Who's this coach?
Kevin Hunt.
Kevin Hunt was dependent on that guy.
Yeah.
Kevin Hunt, he was Kevin Hunt's key player at the Super Sport.
Yeah.
We're not
Wait, I just thought of someone, yeah?
we're not talking about any
Yeah.
other coach.
Yeah.
We're talking about
Kevin Hunt.
one of the
Yeah.
best coaches in SA.
Yeah.
And he was key for that coach.
Sure. Right.
Yeah.
Okay. So Tabang, based on what you're saying, right, that Campbell was key for Super Sport. Where does that leave Tyler Adams? He was also key for Stellenbosch. Why is he not in the AFCON?
Is he playing now?
Yeah, he is.
He's not
He's
playing.
not playing. Same as Campbell. Campbell. Tyler Adams is not getting game time. The same as Campbell. And also remember, based on your logic, we are saying Campbell used to be key for Super Sport. What about Adams? Was he not key for Stellenbosch?
He was key.
What's the difference between Adams and Campbell?
No.
Besides the fact that one is benching and Benjamin is benching in Sundowns.
but you can't. That's like You can't compare it because now you're benching with top players who are better compared to where you bench like Sundowns players. Like
But what do you
Club
mean?
Brugge-
Sometimes players are better than Adam.
Club Brugge cleans Sundowns. It cleans
Of course,
Sundowns.
of course, of
And
course.
also the quality of players that that Campbell is competing with will increase
So you're
the
arguing.
quality of Campbell.
So you're agreeing with Store's point that the difference between Umtu and Campbell is just the level.
Yeah.
The reason why you're giving Campbell credit is the fact that he's in Belgium. Umtu is still in Kaizer Chiefs. That's what you're
and
saying.
doing nothing.
That's what you're saying.
And doing nothing. In
But what
Kaizer
do you mean it's doing nothing?
Chiefs. It's not doing that much.
What do you mean it's doing
What
nothing?
is it not to? Because Umtu,
This man.
if Kaizer Chiefs had clinical players, ne,
Yeah,
you can easily say Mdu is carrying Chiefs.
yeah.
There's no attack without Mdu. Put Mdu bench. There's no attack. Chiefs yafa. Straight up. Tell me who's performing
Well,
better.
it's
who Kaizer Chiefs in
dependent.
the
It's
middle.
dependent. It's dependent on
Ubane
Ule mode.
Now you talk about now
Mara umuntu akakho consistent.
teammates are not consistent.
Again, Tabang,
Wait,
you
I've watched him do
yeah, sharp.
his chances.
Let's just say,
In terms of
let's agree with
one
you.
chance, if there's one chance,
Yeah.
and I have Mdu or Campbell
Yeah.
in that chance,
Yeah.
I'm choosing Campbell
Okay,
over Mdu.
Tabang,
Who are you taking?
let's agree
Who
with
are
you.
you taking?
My conversation.
If there's a one chance in the game, it's 99 minutes
Yeah.
before the game ends.
Sharp.
Last chance of the game.
Okay, I'm gonna answer you.
Chabalala
Yeah.
and Mdu.
I'm gonna answer you.
Eh,
Yeah, I hear you. I hear
and
you.
Campbell.
I'm gonna answer you, and I'm gonna ask you a question as well. You must answer my question.
Yeah.
In a goal scoring scenario,
Yeah.
I would take Campbell. Anything.
Exactly.
He's a fantastic goal scorer. He's better than him too. In terms of goals, you Tabang in a game just like Bafana AFCON,
Yeah.
2-2, or maybe it's like 2-1 Egypt, for example. So if they lost 1, let's just say we are losing.
Yeah.
We need to win a game. We are losing. Who would you back? Who would you back to create goals for you? Who would back to win a game for you between Campbell and Umtu?
I'm taking Campbell.
Why? Because remember, Campbell only offers goals. He's a goal scorer. Umtu, on the other hand, is a playmaker. He can also score goals. He can make runs. He can also play. He can drop in deep. Campbell is a winger. He's a quarter type of player. Ule SIT.
It's not a good time.
He is.
God.
So
Is.
point is in this AFCON, we needed someone who can offer us different things.
Yeah.
It's a big tournament. You never know what's going to happen.
I hear you.
Right now, Campbell isn't wearing a that. You can say he's not ready. Mara. Mara, I can just offer on because he's simply just a winger.
Also,
Yeah,
that's we don't need.
It's not even.
Yeah.
We need a Muremi.
Give the boy a chance. We'll see. No.
We need a Mufukeng winger. We need a
Mufukeng,
winger that will collect, that will
Mufukeng
not
got
a
the
winger that
chance.
will run.
It's not.
Only Lutoli chance kunjani? There's no player that's shy and Lutoli a chance. There's no player.
There are players that shine when they.
Who?
No.
I'm saying that match. The
Yeah.
There's no player that shine.
Yeah.
He couldn't shine.
Yeah, I get that. Hey, Joe. Campbell is not just any type of winger.
Yeah.
Campbell is good with combining 1-2s. He's good with getting in the pockets. He's good with obviously dropping in the number 10 role. Campbell is good. Don't underestimate the player.
We know. I'm saying
Give Campbell a chance
Mdu
and
is
you'll
a
see
better
something.
choice. You know why I'm saying Mdu is a better choice? Mdu, put him on any stage. Any stage. He's not afraid of anything. You can't say no. He was afraid. He's not getting game time. He has all the game time. He's used to carrying big teams. He's used to playing on a big stage. He doesn't need AFCON. He doesn't need what
Is Campbell not
Champions
used
League.
to?
No, he's not.
Which big stages? Which one?
Stages.
Club Brugge.
Wait,
That team
He
is
doesn't
big.
even play.
But when he gets the chance, he does play.
He doesn't get the chance.
He does get the
He
chance.
has no Champions League appearance, by the way.
Yeah. That he hasn't.
Tawag, again, you said you must give Campbell a chance.
Yeah.
AFCON is not a place to give people chance. We go there with people who we know how they play. Umunkwana, as much as asked to play first game, it's because we know how he plays.
But
Yes, of all Campbell is in hope for the best in AFCON. We're supposed to do that during where people win a scheme, where they win line up. Then we know what Campbell is capable. No, yes, okay, chance in
I'm
AFCON.
saying now we've already qualified. It's late to give the boy a chance now.
It's so it shouldn't be.
Wait.
World Cup.
Club World Cup.
No. World Cup le
No,
conference.
no.
No, I need
Older.
no, Club Brugge didn't
Allow, yeah.
So how can we trust him? We haven't seen him play. We only
That's
seen
what
the
I'm
clips.
saying. That's what I'm
We
saying.
only saw the clip. video.
I'm talking about the player in general.
But
The player that I saw at Super Sport. The player that
yeah, again,
I'm
you see, the argument that you're making, there's no I'm fighting with it. It's because now I can also take Adams.
You can't talk about.
I can take Adams to Stellenbosch and fight
it's not-
Campbell
it's
and
not-
say no. Adams Stellenbosch used to be Wara, used to be 1, 2, and 3. So it should be in AFCON as well.
no,
Talk about ukuthi bheka.
Yes.
no, boy.
Eyenzakalayo.
Mina go Bruce Mtatile, makamka a chance. That's what I'm saying. Makamka a chance. Let's see how he plays.
Corner some players
Let's see
that
how
we
he
should
plays.
assess.
But it's okay, Jen.
We don't need a ground.
Yeah.
Yeah, boy.
We don't.
The thing is, boy,
Okay. Let's because we've moved. Let's move actually.
yeah.
Let's flow with the
we've won,
topic, right?
yeah,
Let's
yeah.
flow with the topic,
Yeah.
right? We've qualified, but it's number 2. So chances are we're gonna meet Cote d'Ivoire and or Cameroon. 1 and 2 between the winner of that group.
I want Cameroon, boy, because
So the question to Abanglan 18
Ivory Coast,
with the current squad, the current shape, Abu Mudiba, do you think?
Yeah, we
Cabanga Ahmad against Mudiba.
Nomdiba ngasithola red card.
Cabanga Ahmad
Wait.
against Mudiba.
Let me ask a question properly. Do you guys think we're gonna pass round of 16? The next stage. So are we gonna go through?
On my side, according to, I'm gonna use also culture yet, not
Sure.
Bafana.
Yeah.
La Emzant.
Yeah.
Even Tina Ekas, because we play the same culture. We are used to adapting.
Mhm.
When we've went to play against Orlando Pirates, against Sundowns, there is no game that we've lost
Mhm.
playing against big teams as a
Mhm.
Kasi team.
Mhm.
So the point is, we know how to adapt to a game.
We know how to race to the equation.
Yeah. So even now, you can say we're struggling against Sim, we struggle against Egypt, we struggle against Egypt. We didn't struggle. We struggle against Angola.
Mhm.
We only struggled because those teams they fear us. It's not a matter of we're weak. They fear us. They are small teams. They understood. Okay, we are a small team.
Sure.
When you start understanding, okay, Mina, I'm capable of this and this, and I'm not capable of that.
Sure.
Whatever ezayo, ngeke uhlule because you know your weaknesses. So Mzansi, it won't fail against those big teams. We will know how to adapt to it.
Mhm.
Because in Temnand, when you go Bruce, we don't change style of play just because we're playing against.
Yeah.
Playing against. We're gonna play our ball. So meaning whatever by plan now, they're gonna have to plan against us. Now we're gonna play against playing against this guy.
Diallo just
Yeah. So we know okay, Diallo likes to cut in.
Mm.
Umdiba is our weak link,
Mhm.
but Diallo ngeke amshaye uMbogazi.
So, do you think it would be good to move Umbogazi to left back? If
Yeah.
happens.
Yeah.
Uzoyenza nje uSalabe kamenza kanjani?
Was obvious. Think I think Ustole would need to drop to help. That side because Umudiba.
But guys, I don't. I don't think we're gonna go through.
Yeah.
I don't think so.
You think our road ends?
It's shy. 1, Bruce has the wrong squad. 2, he has ruined our chances of winning AFCON. This was the easiest AFCON we could have won.
The easiest was the last one, mate. This one
No,
is tough.
last time, remember, we're not really sure of our squad. Right? Now, with the talent that the country has.
But the chance that we got last, we should have grabbed that the last one.
Yeah.
This one is tough. I won't lie. The team got stronger, boy.
The teams got stronger, right?
Yeah.
You know why? They changed up. There's no Onana. All those players are not there.
Yeah.
We also supposed to do the same way, but with different players.
Don't you think the players that Hugo Bruce took, he in his mind is saying, "I've changed it up"?
No, you know why? Because Bruce was going the right direction.
Yeah.
Until recently, he started changing his philosophy in a way. Before he used to be consistent.
I think he
now
to Bruce.
Now it just changed.
I feel like
just changed.
I can still say Utemba's one, it's not about the age.
Yeah.
It's about the injury.
Yeah.
The injury. I can say
injured, but still ambiza while injured.
Yeah.
Abakhona while injured. So I can say Uti is that thing.
But besides Utemba's one, it's not only that position that's lacking. Left back, Umudivi uyasiphuza. Number one, Umudivi uyasiphuza.
Hayi inkinga. But bezothatha bani?
Yeah, you can try across mfethu or Ukabini because he's been playing. That's the thing. Ukabini has been playing and then
Can you trust
is-
Kroos though?
That's it.
After
no, it's fine. Okay, Mudiba vele is being there. But why stay consistent with Mudiba and then in other positions you just bring in some other players randomly?
Yeah, like because I want
Consistency. If you're gonna do one thing, do it all over. You understand what I mean?
Yeah,
Because
yeah,
based on Bruce wakudala, umfukenge bangekambiza phakathi
Yeah,
kwabo.
yeah.
Because he's off form, he was injured as well. He came back last weekend.
yeah.
So based on Bruce wakudala beyangekadlali. Two Campbell ufunani. USmith futhi. Futhi uSmith.
First team yakhe, he picked the best.
Yeah, best.
Watch out the best. Nathi
Yes.
we couldn't complain ukuthi hayi. Because remember ku-striker.
Yeah.
Ku-striker besino angithi Foster Wayala, Ostromen,
Yeah.
besino Mahop,
Yeah.
besino Lipas, besino
Yes.
But the striker I think besina 3.
I think that was it.
Yeah, I think that,
Besina 3.
Mahopa, Lepasa, and who else? Man, yeah, I think I'll
And then we
remember
couldn't
the-
complain because yonke into beyisharp. Angithi
I'll
one
remember
beka
the
Stroman.
name.
And
Besides that-
umuntu osimoshele
Yeah.
uyu Foster. I can say uFoster uyosimoshele iphilosophy yethu because we were good without a strike.
no, but look,
We were
besides that,
convincing without a strike.
even us, I'm a fan of course, we never had a problem with Lipasa, we never had a problem with Mahupa because we knew that they were good.
Yeah.
The reason why people are saying here equals is just because they're not calling their players. It's because some players are being called for absolutely no reason at all.
Yeah.
You understand what I mean?
Yeah.
But it's okay. It's okay. Before we close it, there's one thing we need to speak about. One thing. Umbokazi bekayenzani today? What was boss doing?
Ah,
Okay,
but-
Umbokazi
I know.
usijwayelekanga.
Yeah.
You can't give a 5+ star performance against a strong team.
Yo,
I think it's the same. You are relaxed.
yo. Aramshayile la.
Kuye too much. Like
Mara,
kube nalento leyo ukuthi hayi ngimnandi.
yo, aramshayile la.
Because ubonile
But
uSpanise
why is he making a
Yeah,
tackle
why
there?
ever?
Why
Why
is he
ever?
making a tackle there?
because one thing engiyibonile uSpanise basic defend ne
Yeah.
uvula umzimba
So,
but uvule side the reason why ngithi uSpanise basic
Yeah.
defend the problem is uvulele eside wrong because umgayi side
Ah,
via ku right
akamgangisa uslide.
yeah no before a slide
Yeah.
Pegli
Yeah.
wayenzakani
Yeah.
leya yangibona
Come
iside
on.
yeah
Oh.
and leya ibeslam ibonile ukuthi yazi lo muntu ungayi side uthi
Yeah.
ngekule uthi ngimface why umbozo of slide
Yeah,
and
because-
enye into it goes back to his tall usithole upressile akushaya
Kahle.
come back
Yeah.
but usithole had i-chance lo muntu wasn't running
Yeah.
ngamshiyanga usithole was just right here
Yeah.
behind thole i-chance uyenza lento enza usiphumbule almost bascore
Yeah.
uyahamba
Asiphumbule naye. Ay.
No, but slow. Umbokazi slow. Manje ngikhala ngombokazi.
yahamba sijwayeleka
I'm not saying abench or those things.
angabhentshi but
Or like wara.
Yeah,
I'm just saying
makalungisi
it's what we're talking about with you guys. That guy, this was back then, by the way, not recent.
Yeah.
Back then, I said this guy, got too much credit. Akadlali a big stage,
Yeah.
and we can see the big stages are approaching, and things are starting to happen. Umuntu Boaz had only one job. Remember, he's left-footed. Right?
yeah guide him to the left
So obviously, you know, with right, it's gonna be hard for you to tackle.
Yeah.
So guide him to your left, so that you know how to tackle the ball.
yeah
Why is he sliding?
Why is
Because
this? Yo,
West part you're in the box.
wait.
slide.
Yo,
Why are you
lo
going
muntu
down?
chip ibhola
West
adlule-
part,
penalty.
West part, he's going down. It's not even like a last ditch.
Yo, hey,
Shooter. The guy is still.
That ball is not. That ball was
So
not
not even
dangerous
dangerous.
until Bogazi made that
Outside.
tackle.
and bengingayikethe noma bethi ubani Akazi, if Bogazi
Umbogazi uthi maceda ukuwa la ngathi
Yeah.
and abamdribulanga ukuthi
vase
simple
vase
uyathatha i-decision ukuthi nyawa it's
That-
like
He
bamuyisile
gave that guy the idea to do that.
Yo,
Yeah.
The
yeah,
guy is, but it's okay.
that
We will meet either Cote d'Ivoire or Cameroon
So
in the
yeah.
next round.
yeah, you said we're not going through.
No. For me personally,
said,
with,
we are.
with this squad,
Mina,
I'm not
I-
convinced of going.
the squad list
Okay,
ngathi
I'll say depends on who we are facing. If we're facing Ivory Coast, it's chai.
Yeah.
the squad
But Cameroon, we have a chance. Cameroon, we definitely have
that's
a
the
chance.
squad thing as compare nobana
Yeah.
compare it to an anime character
Yeah.
hit When we hit,
Aha.
we
Uhit
rise.
uhit umlilo wamaphepha.
We rise. Inkinga yazi
Uhit.
we won't rise uma sithola a team like a very super strong team. Like if Satola is Senegal match,
Mhm.
it's chai.
Remember?
But if we're gonna get Cameroon, Cote d'Ivoire,
Yeah.
going up like that. So we reach
Singa
the
will-
finals.
Yeah.
But in that context, Uhit Wafika as a new character was fire for
Ugoku.
and yes, Ugoku was last AFCON.
Yeah.
Now we're coming to a tournament of power, which is this AFCON. There is new characters, which is new. Which like the clubs have other players.
Yeah.
So we are meeting new players. We're meeting new like Abo Jire.
Yeah.
And we're not prepared. We still think that best is still enough, and it's not enough.
Yeah, that best is not enough.
Not
We
enough.
have to go a level
Yeah.
up,
But
and we don't
the
have
only
the players to go a level
The
up.
only
Yeah.
thing I'm confident ngayo ngesquad semzansi is our defense.
You saw today.
High balls were problems most of the
Yo.
Because
Today,
you know why high balls were the problem. I had people complaining about Ngezane, saying this and this. But you saw Ngezane was off today.
Yeah.
The reason why defense was bad is because Ngezane was off today. Ungezane was able to make Spanish Kambogazi very easy. Because Umbogazi, I can say Umbogazi is a rough player.
Yeah.
Umbogazi uyangcolisa, ududula yonke into.
Yeah.
Then Ungezane cleaner.
Yeah.
So Umbogazi, just like how he was good with Pirates, because Usesane is a ball player. Umuntu okwazi ukulibamba,
Mhm.
does clean, everything is clean.
Yeah.
But Ungezane today was off. It became a problem.
And yabona bekaspana overtime already.
Umbogazi. It was a problem.
Yeah.
Because bekashama block, wamela head amabhola. First two matches,
Yeah.
Ngezane was dealing with high balls. It didn't matter which side it came, dealing with high balls only. Then Umbogazi shaya ispan sakhe phansi physique and stuff. But today, Ngezane was nowhere to be found today.
Yeah.
And uringivara.
Bese uMndiba aba nebhadi because today akayenzanga that much of a problem. Aba ne-bad luck, eshaya one. Today, mara today ube ne-area one yephasi
Yeah,
leyo
yeah,
abamrasele yona.
Yeah.
But
I think
Hopefully I'm wrong. We go through. I hope I'm wrong.
me it depends on what team we face. If we face Cameroon, I'm confident enough we can beat Cameroon.
labantu bayadakwa laba. Ukwabona umuntu olwisa umntanakhe bese angamsupport support opponent. Yibo laba.
Man, mina ngiyasupport.
Ah.
Ngiyasupport.
Bafana all the way. Phela, if you guys hit, if unasishayisa 200 subscribers, sayithatha lento.
Exactly that.
200 subscribers.
200 subscribers.
Yantshela.
Masiphuma.
Siflya siye
Sayilanda le
Sayilanda.
AFCON.
Based on that, Masiphuma. If Puma, 300 subscribers. See you on the next
Nice.
episode, guys.
See you.
Most probably next year.
Yeah.
Probably next year.
Last episode.
So that episode of the year.
Yeah.
So-
Enjoy your New Year's Eve. Yeah. Drink safe, drive safe, don't drink and drive. Yeah.
Support Bafana Fana. Put Bafana Fana in your heart. Support us. Please subscribe. We'll be also here next
Now
year.
my live is called TikTok, same name,
Same thing.
everything. Go there, like,
Yeah. We go
follow,
live.
watch us.
We go live during the match days. We do a watch along on TikTok, so you can come and watch that also.
Share your
with us.
views.
Yeah.
Otherwise,
It's been a nice one.
Thank you.
happy
Ciao.
2026 hunting.
Thank you.